Hello everyone, Cobby here. Now in this video, I am going to show you how I actually applied for a job online using just my mobile phone in some few simple steps. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So to do this, I needed Google's word processing app called Google Docs. It is available on the Apple App Store and then the Google Play Store. So I open Google Docs, and the next thing I tap on the plus icon or button at the lower right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, I can actually choose template or choose to create a new document. In this case, I wanted to do this in some few simple steps. I just choose template because the app itself has a variety of templates that I can choose on. You can choose from CVs, from cover letters, and then a lot. So I choose template and then I glance through and then choose the template of my choice, in this case letter, and then I edit the content. Alright, so I change the sender's address and then the recipient address as well as the main body of the letter. Now the beautiful thing about this thing is that it's automatic, since it's cloud based, so it automatically saves every changes that you do. Next, I tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and then I select share and export. From share and export, I tap on send a copy. Now you have a pop-up screen to choose the document format. So in this case, I choose PDF and then I tap on OK. Now I'll be presented with a list of available apps that I can use to share my letter or to share my document. So in this case, I choose Gmail because I would want to send the application as Gmail. Now from Gmail, I'll type the recipient's email, the subject of my email, and as well as add a message to the email. Further, I attach some files from Google Drive. I'll do another video to show you how to actually get your document on Google Drive and then be able to attach it in your emails, right? So after I'm done attaching the other documents, the next thing was just tap send. That send is the forward looking arrow, or you can call it forward looking triangle at the top right corner. I tap on it and then I have this pop-up because I attached a document from Google Drive. So they are asking me the permissions that I would want to give to the person I'm sharing this document with. So I'll just choose can view and then I tap send. So bingo, my letter is sent. I've been able to actually apply for a job online using just my mobile phone in some few simple steps. So you actually have no excuse if you don't have a laptop. Wherever you are, if you see any job openings or you will have to send any documents via email, you can actually do that by the help of your mobile phone using this amazing app. I hope you like this video. Kindly do well to subscribe to my channel and then turn on notifications, get first-hand updates when I upload a new content. Thank you. My name is Cobby and I'm out.